It's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I am back on this very muggy, warm day. Not Wednesday, it's Friday, but you know me. I like to wear the Wednesday shirt on days other than Wednesday. I know I'm late today again, but I got some good videos lined up. Oh my gosh, I have a box of Bath & Body Works. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's my water globe with the witch hand that turns all different colors, or it could be the clock. I don't know what's in here. Where's Greg? Oh my god! I'm putting too much emphasis on Greg. I need Lenny back. Greg is laying face down. The candles. Oh my gosh. Hey Mom, you gotta make Greg a Halloween costume.
I have to what?
You have to make Greg a Halloween costume.
Yeah.
He needs a Halloween costume. We're putting my mother on that task. I'm talking to an imaginary Greg doll. Yes, that's how my week is going. So, oh my god. No, that cracked me up. I can't believe he fell on the Kringle candles. So, now my mom can't stop laughing. It's been quite the week, but luckily, I got my candy corn here. Life is always better with candy corn. So, okay, we're going to dig into this box. Then, I'm going to do a all fall video because we got to talk about all this fall stuff that's launched. I'm just going to kind of go through it to keep us organized. And then I have the Kringle candle Halloween, the licorice candle burning. Ooh, that made a terrible noise. So that's exciting. So I got a lot of exciting stuff happening. So, oh, I think my scissors probably. That's okay. I'll just rip it off. This is making bad noises, the tape. Okay. Boy, there's a lot of stuff in here. Like, I don't even know what this is. It's mostly Halloween, I think. So, oh, first up, check it out. This is one of the, oh, look at this. It's a light up music, pocket pack holder. That's kind of cute. I'm going to have to, do all my pocket packs. I'm starting to get my Halloween stuff organized a little bit. I started like boxes for everything, so I know where everything is. Oh, this is the rose. Oh my gosh, more tape, you guys. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, I honestly don't know where I put my scissors. That's okay. Not too bad. Let me. We're gonna get this off. We're gonna get this off. Okay, I got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. This is actually gorgeous. It's not a candle holder. It's just, I don't think it's a candle holder. Wait a minute. It might be a candle holder. What the heck is this thing? Let me see. I need a Halloween candle. I can't just do this with any candle. Let me grab Vampire Blood. It's it's not a 3-wick candle holder. This might be a single wick candle holder. Do I have a single wick sitting back here anywhere? I do. What the heck is this thing? It's not a candle holder. It's just a decorative piece. Use exclusively with Bath & Body Works. 7-ounce candle sleeve. Okay, so the 7-ounce candle sleeve. That would be the small candle. Okay, so do you put this? This is like a Scooby-Doo mystery wrapped up in a a bigger mystery. So I'm gonna have to figure this thing out. So it looks like maybe you have the Halloween sleeve and you set it on top of here. It looks like there's like a ridge here. But I'm not sure what's going on with this. It's pretty. I like it. I'll just use it as a decorative piece. That's actually really nice. I also got this. This skull looks kind of creepy, weird. This is the Vampire Blood soap. Oh my gosh, I'm really surprised this did not pop open in shipping because this was a little loose. So this is a Vampire Blood soap. Why does this skull look kind of odd? It doesn't look exactly like a skull. Kind of weird looking. But anyway, this is the Skull hand soap. Am I just like not having a good time with anything today? Okay, what is this? This is a 3-wick candle holder. Greg's missing. My scissors are missing. I can't tell what any of this stuff is. The day can only go up from here. Let me get rid of the... Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, this is where it's happening, you guys. Look at how pretty this is. This is actually gorgeous. I like the purple spider on here. This is pretty. I like this. So, I got that. And then the final thing I got, let me get rid of this. Okay. What is this? Beauty Avenues Roman ink, it says. I don't know what the heck that means. Oh my gosh, I seriously need something to cut this open with. Where is my Harry Potter letter opener? Oh, is this it? No. Oh, I might have scissors right here. Do I have scissors right here, you guys? No. Where are my scissors? I might have to get up for a second and go find my scissors. I will be right back. I'm back. Luckily, my mother had her scissors sitting right there. I have to remember to give these back to her, though, because I always steal her scissors, and then I lose them, which is a real terrible thing to do, because you know how hard it is when you're looking for scissors and you can't find your scissors. I usually just end up buying a ton more. Okay, so is this the water globe or the clock? I don't know. I don't know what this is, but we're going to find out together. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is like a fun mystery here. I feel like it's too small for the water globe, so maybe it is the clock. Okay, are you ready? No, it's the water globe. Where's my clock? I don't know where my clock is. I bet it got canceled, honestly. That's the one piece. Oh, wow. This is heavy. Okay, so this is, get rid of that. This is the water globe, and I'm sure it doesn't have batteries in it, obviously. So I did see this in the store. This is actually a candle holder. Where'd my candle go? My gosh, I'm losing everything today. Candle holder. And what's kind of odd is that it's like this person, this a witch, and the hands kind of line up like this, but it does look a little like odd from this angle. I think I like the ring. I think I would display it this way. This is like the prettiest angle of this thing, but it's kind of like dual-sided, and then when you light it up, it's gonna like rotate through the colors. So I'm gonna have to do a demo on that. We're gonna see what that looks like lit up. So that was today's haul. I'm still waiting on my clock. Also, a lot of people have been asking me about my Halloween book. Woohoo. Okay, so I wrote a series of 6 journal, planner, calendar type books. I will put the link below to Amazon. And these can be used for any company. And actually, these are going to be really good for Kringle, because there are so many Kringle candles. So this one is just Halloween, candles, body care, inventory, and you can also put soap in here. So I've got fruity scents, I've got candy scents, I've got pumpkin scents, I've got spooky scents, I've got Halloween home decor. So you could log all of your Bath & Body Works home decor. You could do home goods, everything. I have got hand soap in here, so you could probably your Halloween hand soap. And then I've also got body care, Halloween body care, and then of course, Halloween candles. Like I said, any company, you could actually, take 1 page or 2 pages for each company. And I also have a candle throw guide in here, all color, but this one is on Amazon. And then I have a couple of, different books. I have Seasonal Scent Journal. This one's actually in black and white. I actually wanted to do these are only $4.99. I wanted to do something really inexpensive for you guys. If you have Amazon, it's free shipping. I think I make like 9 cents on these. which is okay. I just really wanted to get this out to you guys so that you would have something to record a lot of your stuff in. Because, you know, it's nice to be able to write all of your scents down. So there are 6 books on Amazon all ready to go. I'm trying to get a fall one ready. And then a lot of you have been asking for a thicker one that's like everything. So I'm going to try and get that done for like September, so like going into Christmas, you can have like this giant book of like all of your stuff. So that is my goal. I just got to get on it. It's funny, ever since 4th of July, I feel like July has been like the busiest month ever with everything going on, but it's all good. We have a lot of stuff happening. I will be back in a couple of minutes. We are going to talk about Bath & Body Works fall. I'm going to give my scissors back to my mom as soon as I stand up, and Greg is securely in place. So all is good now. I will see you guys in a couple minutes. Bye-bye.